If you are using the quadratic formula and still getting the wrong answer, this video will show you exactly why. Hi everyone! If you aren't sure how to solve quadratic equation like 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0, this video is for you. If this topic is helpful for you, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next tutorial and our useful post. The quadratic formula gives us the solution for any quadratic equation. We need to remember this formula: x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a. We have three coefficients. Keep in your mind, a is coefficient in front of x squared, b is coefficient in front of x, and c is the number without x. The first step is always the same. We have to identify a, b, and c, always. Step 2, we will use quadratic formula. The first example, we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. The first step, we need to identify coefficient a, b, and c. Coefficient a equals 1, coefficient b equals negative 5, coefficient c equals 6. Now we use quadratic formula. X sub 1, x sub 2 equals negative b, so it is minus, open parenthesis, negative 5, plus minus square root, b square, negative 5 square, carefully, you must use parenthesis, minus 4 times 1 times 6, divided by 2 times 1. Now we need to simplify. So minus negative 5 gives us positive 5 plus minus square root negative 5 square, it is 25, minus 4 times 6, it is 24, divided by 2. Keep going. 5 plus minus square root of 1 over 2. So now we split our root. We have x sub 1. We take plus for the first root. 5 plus 1 over 2 equals 6 over 2 equals 3. X sub 2 equals 5 minus 1 over 2. 4 over 2 equals just 2. Now we can write answer. 2 and 3, correct answer for our example 1. Pause here and try example 2 yourself before I solve it. Now let us continue. We have x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. The first step, identify coefficient. Coefficient a equals 1, coefficient b equals 2, coefficient c equals negative 8. Quadratic formula, x sub 1, x sub 2 equals negative 2 plus minus square root b square, it is 2 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 8 divided by 2 times 1. Next step, we simplify. We have negative 2 plus minus square root 4 minus a negative 8. It would be plus 4 times 8, 32, divided by 2. We have negative 2 plus minus square root of 36 over 2. Now we find solution for both root. Negative 2 plus 6 over 2 and negative 2 minus 6 over 2. 4 divided by 2, it is just 2. Negative 2 minus 6, negative 8 over 2 equals negative 4. So correct answer for this example, 2, negative 4. Next example, we have x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. A equals 1, B equals negative 6, and C equals 9. Now we're going to use quadratic formula. Minus negative 6 plus minus square root negative 6 squared, we need parentheses, minus 4 times 1 times 9 divided by 2 times 1. Keep going. Negative minus 6. It would be positive 6 plus minus square root. Negative 6 squared, it is 36 minus 36 over 2. We have interesting situation here. 36 minus 36 gives us 0. So we have 6 plus minus square root of 0 over 2. Square root of 0, it is 0. So we have exactly one solution. We have 6 over 2 equals 3. So x equals 3. It is correct solution for this example. Now we must remember this important rule about the discriminant. The discriminant is the expression inside the square root b squared minus 4ac. b squared minus 4ac. The first case, if discriminant is greater than 0, we have two real solutions. Two real solutions. If discriminant equals 0, we have one real solution. The third case, if discriminant less than 0, we have no real solutions. No real solutions. Example 4. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Keep in your mind, this time coefficient a is not equal 1. So a equals 2, b equals 5, and c equals negative 3. Now we substitute x equals 5 plus or minus square root of, so we're going to use quadratic formula. Negative 5 plus minus square root b squared, so 5 squared minus 4 times a times negative 3 divided by 2a, so 2 times 2. The first step, evaluate discriminant. So discriminant expression inside square root. 5 squared, it is 25. And now we have negative 4 times 2 times negative 3. Negative and negative give us positive. 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. Keep going. Negative 5 plus minus square root of 49 over 4. Now we find the first root and the second root. So we take plus for the first root, negative 5 plus square root of 49, 7 over 4. It is 2 over 4, cancel out 2, 1/2. X sub 2 equals negative 5 minus 7 over 4. Negative 12 over 4 equals negative 3. So 1/2 and negative 3, it is correct answer for our example 4. Now let us review step-by-step plan to solve any quadratic equation. Step 1. Write the equation in standard form. Right side must be equal 0. Step 2. Identify A, B, and C. Step 3. Substitute into the quadratic formula. Step 4. Evaluate the square root of the discriminant, with discriminant z equals b squared minus 4ac. Last step. Solve for both solutions, with plus and with minus. Thank you for watching and see you soon!